Welcome back. All right, got a mini snowstorm coming. I pulled out the 721R. I haven't used this for like a few years, so it's been sitting. I think I started it up once last year. I didn't really use it, to be honest with you, at all. Just going through my checks really quick. Put some fuel in it, and then I will test it just to make sure it works. We're supposed to get a few inches in the next couple of days. Oil. Let's see. Oil, I am good. If not almost all the way full. Sorry, it's kind of hard to record like that. There you go. You can see, it's almost at the top. I did give it an oil change a few years back, but honestly, I didn't use it at all. So I am not in the need of an oil change for this. She's a little dusty and dirty, but that's all right. Let's angle it a little bit. It's about 30 degrees here, so not horribly cold. Pour some fuel into her. She's empty. Put it to the side. I hate these gas cans. These new age ones. Alright, we're good. Just gotta give her a little bit to start it up. That should be enough for her to run for a few. I also just in case I let it sit too long, I also like to just give it a little shot of fuel stabilizer. And like I said, this is just eye measurements. I'm not doing a whole gallon, just like a little bit in there, just to get it running and keep the fuel fresh. And she's good. Just a little dab. All right, let's go ahead and do the starting procedures. It's really easy. This is just a basic pull one. So 721R, 21-inch, 212 engine, just a recoil starter. All you got to basically do, I usually do about 4 primes since it's been sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's off. Well, it feels kind of loose, but looks fine. That would be off, that'd be on. All right, we pull the choke, and let's see how many pulls she takes. I'm gonna say probably 2 or 3. All right, push her in. Running good. Let's check paddles. Looks good. Well, I think we're ready. When it snows in the coming days, we should have it ready. So thanks for watching this quick video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I like hearing people's opinions. A lot of people like Toros. I like Toros too. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.